cold out there, man. Well, the plan was to go to Best Buy, go get some shit for the GoPro, and I was going to pick up Forza Horizon while I was there. But I can't go anywhere. I'm stuck in this gas station. Come on. I think I'm even going to make it halfway to Best Buy. We ain't going nowhere. Nowhere. I don't know how to do this video. I really don't. It's one way to do it. Get it over with. That was pretty good, actually. I was proud of that one. That was good. I don't know how to do this video, so I'm just gonna do it, and we're gonna do it. It's gonna happen. We're gonna do it. So I had an experience with AMR, and I have to be honest with you guys about everything, because I don't want to not be honest, obviously, because that's not good. Honesty is always the best policy. You know what they say. MPT is definitely my choice when it comes to 3.7. I didn't have a full-on, final revisioned, completely set up AMR tune because I chose to stop tuning with them. I'm going to cover why I chose to stop tuning with them. Let me clear something up right away. I didn't buy an AMR tune. I didn't pay for an AMR tune. I had an AMR tune, have still. I was given an AMR tune to try it out. The spokesperson from AMR hit me up. It's like, hey, you know, I'm just going to give you a tune. We're going to get you tuned up. And then jokingly said, you know, it's going to take quite a few revisions. He wasn't joking. I thought he was joking. He wasn't joking. So I got an AMR tune. I put it on, and right off the bat, I had an issue with the idle. The idle was fluctuating up and down a lot. I did it on the stock tune. Did it as well with the AMR tune, but it didn't do it on the MPT tune. Why it's doing it, I honestly don't know. I sent them a couple data logs. So I sent them one data log because that's when shit hit the fan after that. The first data log I sent them after they told me to data log and stuff, I did that, and they said that something wasn't set up properly with the NOx sensor, so they weren't able to get good readings out of it. So the time I did with the data log, doing the polls was all waste. I had to do it all over again. So before I got to do another data log and send them another little log of my car, they sent me back another tune. They said, here, try this one. This one's going to feel a little bit different. I'm like, okay, cool. Maybe there's something cool, you know, happening with this tune. So I load up the tune, I drive for a couple minutes, and then boom, my check engine light comes on. I get 2 codes for camshaft timing retarded, I believe, both makes. So I wasn't very happy about this. You're not supposed to get codes with camshaft timing on a tune, no matter what happens. It's not good. So I told them about it. I told AMR about it, and they said, "Oh, they made a mistake." I forget 100% what they said. I think what they said was that they forgot to turn VCT on because it was hidden. But the people I've talked to said that's not even a thing. So I don't really know where that came from. But maybe that's right. I don't know. I'm not a tuner myself, but I just didn't like the fact getting a check engine light. So I told them, I said, you know, I don't want to have this happen again. I'd rather just get a normal tune than have you play with stuff and try and make more power, whatever the heck you're trying to do, which is causing codes to come on. I'm not gonna keep driving on a tune that's throwing camshaft codes. I don't care what the explanation is. I'm not doing that, because then I can't tell if I actually am having a problem with the cam phaser or something else station if I'm getting bogus codes getting thrown up. So that's why I really don't like that, you know, the fact that that's happening. So I said, make sure that does not happen again on this tune, because I am not going to keep driving on tunes. They said, okay, yeah, it's fixed. They sent me another tune. And by the way, the tune they did send me that threw those codes, it felt weird. it felt really weird. The power band was all screwed up, unlike I've ever felt in any 3.7 before. Never felt anything like that. So maybe it was because they just disabled VCT, but they obviously didn't do something properly, because I shouldn't be getting codes for it. Other tuners disable VCT and you don't get camshaft timing codes like that. So they sent me another tune, and both these tunes they sent me too, they turned off traction, they turned off my ABS, they turned off everything, so they get a good log, which again, I've never seen that being done on a data log before, but I guess whatever. It wasn't really the problem though. So I was like, all right, send me another tune, and I don't want this stuff happening again. So they sent me another tune. I load up this third tune now, and after a couple minutes of driving, boom, check engine light comes on again, and now I've got 4 codes for camshaft timing. This time both banks retarded and both banks over advanced. So I said, you know what, dude, what is going on with this? Like, I don't want to run AMR in my car anymore, because I don't even trust you guys to get a simple tune right. Now, granted, yeah, they've tuned a lot of other people, and you know, people haven't gotten these codes. I don't know what they did to my tune, besides forgetting to turn VCT on. But I'm not going to keep playing with fire with my car. I don't care, again, like, so what the explanation is, it's a bad experience. And when I confronted them about it for the second time, I'm going to check engine light codes, they said, don't act like I'm doing them any favors. Basically, I can't complain about it. It was what the conclusion of that was, because I didn't pay for the tune. And they said, well, we're going to treat you more like a normal customer now at this point. What does that even mean? So, you know what, I said, I'm done. They also said they didn't appreciate really the last video I did for them either. So, you know, I'm done. I don't want anything to do with this anymore at this point. I don't want check engine lights on my car. I don't want camshaft codes popping up. I don't like the attitude that I got back. Just because I didn't pay for a tune means that I really can't complain when things like that go wrong. So I've got a lot of screenshots from other people I've talked to too that have had AMR and have had other issues as well too, with cars dying out and just check engine lights for misfires, and there's a reasoning behind it every time according to AMR. But again, you don't see this kind of stuff happen with MPT. You don't see random check engine lights and misfires happening. I haven't, at least personally anyways, ever seen that. So I'm done dealing with AMR. I'm not going to do any more business with them. I'm not making any of this up. This is all 100% honest experience that I'm telling you about. I have screenshots to prove, I have pictures to prove of the check engine light codes, I have video of it. Whatever you guys need, if you don't believe what I'm saying, I can prove it. So this isn't a defamation video. This is just an honest experience review. That's all this is. And it's me telling you guys this honestly so that you know, because all of you have been asking what's going on with the AMR tune. All of you guys want to know what happened. Why did you stop doing the videos for AMR? This is why I'm not doing any more videos for AMR. This is why I'm not running an AMR tune on my car anymore. I prefer to stick with MPT. I like their tuning. I like the way they do business. I trust them, so there's no reason for me to go anywhere else. And I'm pretty glad I didn't pay for the AMR tune, because I could see how it worked out. That is my honest review of my experience with AMR. It's fucking cold out here, guys. Holy shitballs. Fuck, I'm not gonna make it up here. Oh, I did. Alright. I just loaded the updated AMR tune. It's not supposed to cause my fucking check engine light to come on for this stupid bullshit. And, let's see. Bet you it's the same fucking codes for camshaft timing. Oh, I might want to turn the key on here. Got $100 as it is. If it is, I'm done. This is the last fucking time I'm even bothering with AMR. Oh my god, there's even more this fucking time. Over? Are you fucking kidding me?